Assalamu alaikum and good morning everyone. Hope you all are fit and fine. Today is your SST class and this is your SST reading book. This one, World Watch 4. This is your SST reading book. Today, open the page number, first page number 2. Now, today we are going to read, I'm going to explain the unit 1, Lahore. Okay. Now, first, Lahore is the capital of Punjab. Okay. Punjab is the second largest province in Pakistan. Punjab means five. Punjab means the land of 5 rivers. Okay. The 5 rivers are Indus, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi and Satluj. Now, the Punjab is known as the food basket of Pakistan. Now, nearly 60%, it's a fact, nearly 60% of the people in Pakistan live in Punjab, making it the most populated province in the country. If you can see that, you also read the fact, is page number 2. You have to just read these facts. Okay, it's a fact. Now just turn the page number 3. Now we have the remaining facts of about Lahore. Facts about Lahore, capital city of Punjab and second largest city in Pakistan. Important city for education, buildings, art, filmmaking, etc. Now, known as the city of gardens, has important historical buildings, many from the Mughal Empire. Now, turn the page number 4. Now, then we have the city. Okay, the Lahore is a very old city, possibly more than 2000 years old. Okay, now Lahore, as we know, some important buildings from that time are still there, including the Badshahi Mosque, built in 1673, which is a major tourist attraction. Okay, Lahore has become a modern, fast-growing city with many factories. The factories produce cars, motorcycles, machinery, etc. Now, there are also banks, IT, businesses, shops, hotels, restaurants. Now, we have another fact. It's a fact, Lahore is a famous for its handmade carpets. They are sold all over the world. You can see the Badshahi Mosque. Turn the page number 3. This one. Okay. Now turn the page number 5. Then after the city, location. Now we have the city location. Okay, Lahore is near the border with India. It is 25 kilometers from the Wagah border, crossing the only road Wagah border, crossing the only road border crossing between India and Pakistan currently in use. As we know, Lahore is on the Ravi River. You have to know, this is the pic, you can see the Ravi River. The river Ravi, you can see river Ravi. Okay, Lahore is on the river Ravi. Now we will talk about the climate. Now, after location, talk about the climate. The Lahore has hot, wet summers, dry, cold winters. Dust storms can occur in summer and fog in winter. Now, then the page number 6. People, if we are talking about people, about 10 million people live in Lahore. People come from other parts of Pakistan and other countries to live and work there. Okay. Now, most people speak Punjabi. Many others speak Urdu, English, and another language, etc. Okay. Now, most of the people, just on the page number 7. Now, as we talk about the problems after climate, now, like other large cities in the world, Lahore has many problems caused by the large number of people who want to live there. And there are enough houses, electricity, or clean water for there are not enough houses, electricity or clean water for everyone. But today, people are trying to solve some of these problems. Clean up Lahore days are observed regularly. People take part in World Earth Day, and every year the aim is to show people how humans harm the environment and to find ways of stopping this. Now you can see, after this you can just open the page number 8. If we are talking about life in the city and life in a village, life in a big city like Lahore is very different from living in a village, a small village. Now for example, you can see in it the page number 8. Okay, page number 8. Now we have a you can assume the two people, one person lives in a new house near the airport. There are many houses in the street and they are very close together. Kalim's father works in a bank in the city. His mother is a teacher. Now another one we are talking about, Farah. She lives in a village, and she has more space around her, enough space to keep some chickens and a goat. Okay, some chickens and etc. You can say. Farah's father makes carpets to sell. Farah's mother helps in the fields. Okay, Faraz goes to a school in the village. She does not have to walk far to get there. Now, turn this page. Kaleem goes to school too, but he has to travel in his father's car to get there. Sometimes it takes a long time due to traffic problems. At the weekend, Kaleem and his family sometimes go to a restaurant to eat. At the weekend, Farah helps her mother in the house. Sometimes she plays with her brothers and sister in the fields. Now, as you know, in this life in the city, now they are the difference. If the people are living in a, one person is living in the city and the life in a village. So, what's the difference in the village life and city life? Okay, now turn page number 9. We have the facts of about Lahore. As we are just capital city of Punjab, you have to just read the facts as well. Okay, now the first one, Lahore, as we know, is famous for its handmade carpets. Now, then we know as well, Lahore has over 14 beautiful parks and gardens. It also has a large safari park with animals from other parts of the world. Now, okay, then after we have the facts about it. Capital city of Punjab and second largest city in Pakistan on the river Ravi near the border with India. Very old, has a walled city, has hot wet summers and dry warm winters. Okay, most people are Muslim and speak Punjabi. Large city with pollution problems. Okay, now we have the work of this unit. Okay, page number, this is your book work, page number 10. Book work, match then, write 4 true sentences in your notebook. Okay, now we have Lahore and you will match like this. Lahore is the capital of Punjab. Now you will match Lahore sits on river Ravi or river Indus. You will match which one will be the correct one. So what will you do? You have to read this whole unit Lahore, then you will get the answer which one will be the correct one. Okay, now after this, Lahore is a very new city or old. You will match anyone. Okay, now Lahore has a population of 10 million people or 20 million people. You will match with the correct one. Now the second book work is exercise B. Find these words in the puzzle. You have this puzzle. Now what will you do? You will just puzzle, you will find these words, you have these words and you will just circle on it. For example, Lahore. So you will just find the Lahore like this, you will just circle, you will just find it and you will circle like this. Okay, now you have monsoon. Here is a monsoon, you will find like this, and Rabi. Then you will again we have here, so you will match like this, and pollution. So then you have a pollution, you will find the word. Pollution is last line, like here, you will just circle on it. Now you have a Punjabi. Here is a Punjabi. Okay, now you have city. City you can match like this. Here is a city, you can just circle on it. Then you have cricket. Now cricket, you will just, here is cricket. Okay, you will just match, just simply circle on it. Then you have cricket, carpet. After cricket, now you will again, you will search, okay, where is the carpet, and you will just simply, here is carpet, and you will just circle on it like this. Okay, now come on the another exercise, exercise C. Complete the sentences. Okay, now Punjab is the second largest dash in Pakistan. Whatever you will write over here, province, what you are thinking the right one, so you will write over here. The name Punjab means land of dash rivers. How many rivers you will write over here? First you will read the whole unit, then you will get the answer. Most of the land in Punjab is covered by the flat plains of the dash. Now, the soil of the Indus plant is very good for dash crops. Growing crops, whatever you will write over here. Crops grown in Punjab include maize, rice, potatoes, and dash. You will write over here. Punjab has 2 deserts, and you will write the one desert, his name is written over here, and the another you will write. Nearly 60% of the people in dash live in Punjab. So these 3 exercises, this is your book work, and you will do it in your book. Now, after this, after the reading book work, then we will go for a skill book work. Now, I have a skill book work of this unit Lahore. This is your, now after the reading book, this is your, okay, this is your skill book. Okay, now World Watch, this is your skills book, written over here on the top, skills book, okay, 4. Okay, after the reading book, this is your skill book. On the skill book is already written skills book. Now turn the page, open the page number 2. Now this is your skill books work, page number 2. Okay, now for example, name the city in Balochistan that is marked on the map. You will find out in the map which city is marked. So you will write over here. Now name 4 cities of Punjab, which is the, so you will just search it out, right? Okay, in the map, okay, Balochistan that is marked on the map. So you will search out it which city is marked. So you will write over here the name. Now name 4 cities of Punjab like Lahore, Multan, Faisalabad. Like you will write these names. Okay, how many people per square kilometer live in Lahore? 1000 or 250? You will just write, and then we will come on the how many people per square live in Quetta. So you will again, you will check how many are there live in Quetta. Now come on, how many people per square kilometer live in most of Balochistan? 250 or fewer than 250. So what does the map tell you about where most people live in Pakistan? So you will again, you will just search how many, what does the map tell you how where most people live in Punjab. If you are thinking ki Punjab and people live in Pakistan, so if you are thinking ki Punjab, so you will just search it and just flip this one. Achha, this page is also uploaded on web portal. Everything is mentioned in that. You can just visit the web portal and just you can easily solve it and just complete this page, page number 2. Now come on the page number 3. This page is also uploaded on the web portal. Now come on this, on maps things are drawn much smaller than they are in real life. The scale on a map, this one, okay, tells you the actual size of a distance measured on a map. There is a scale for this map. Here it is like here it is. This scale tells us that 25 like on the map equals to 2 kilometer on the actual streets of Lahore. Now you will just come on here, then Major Aziz Bhatti Road, it is it more or less than 2 kilometer long? So you will write over here to see this which one. Okay, now come on this Major Workshops Road, is it more or less than 2 kilometer long? Again you will flip, list the names of 4 streets that are longer than 2 kilometer. You will write over here. Now this one, this page is also uploaded on web portal. You can also complete from there. Now the page number 5 after this. Okay, now this is the bar chart, this one. Okay, it shows you the rainfall for each month in Lahore. Okay, it's January, February, like this. Okay, rainfall is here. Okay, answer the questions. Which month has the most rainfall? So you will check this is a chart, bar chart. You will check in it. So, okay, so if you are thinking July, which month has the most rainfall? So this is a June and this is a July. Means this is a July. July has the most rainfall. So you will write over here July. You will just fill these blanks according to this bar chart. Which month has the least rainfall? So you will check this one, no, Jan, no, February, no. Then just which one is November now? So you will write over here. Now how much rain fell in January? 23 millimeter or 50 millimeter? So you will write which one is the correct to. This is a bar chart. Okay. How much rain fell in November? 20 millimeter or 4 millimeter? Then we have which month had more rain? December or April? You have a comparison. We have a December and here is. So which month? April, here December. So you will just write which one is the correct one. Okay, now which month had more rain, April or October? So you will write over here that which one is the correct answer. Now which month had less rain, September or October? So again you will check in the September and then October. So you will write over here less rain. They are talking about less rain. Okay, which month had less rain, June or January? So here is the January and here is June. So you will write which one will be the correct one. July had 202 of rain and August had 164. So how much more rain fell in July than in August? So you will write over here. It rained 12 mm in October, 4 in November and 14 December. Altogether, how much rain fell during these 3 months? So what you will do? You will just add these months and you will have the answer. Now, these all the pages uploaded on web portal. You can easily just complete your homework through the web portal. Now, is there any confusion related to this unit log? So you can ask through WhatsApp. We can give the reply as soon as possible. And thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Take care.